Again, I'm trying to make a Blogspot theme. But right now, I'm using Grok AI for it, and later on, I'm gonna use another one. So I asked that how to make a Blogspot theme. Here you can see that, and it given me that idea that how to do. They said that you need to use skill, and then it told me a lot of things. After seeing that one thing, I understand. If I want to learn it, it's gonna be really easy right now. So just go to. I asked that it can't done or not, so it generated the code for me. So I'm gonna copy that. Okay, I copy this code, and now you go to the theme and click. Make sure before you edit that have backup. I already had a backup, so I will not go there. Click edit, and here you can just select all and paste your code. Now let's see what happens. Click save. So you see, this is the error you always find when you are copying from any AI tool. They always make mistakes. So if you don't have idea, you can see there it's saying that in line number 129. So let's find 129. Okay. In like HTML, it's saying that must start with ending the same entity. Okay. So there's somewhere, some kind of things is not added. So HTML language, as you can see, there's two HTML. Okay. That's what I told you, that they always make mistakes. So you have to remove one of them. Just remove this one. Now save again. Again it's failed. So as you can see, there's something wrong about it. That's why it's not working. So it failed. I will say that update. I can't able to install theme on Blogspot. I'm also gonna use ChatGPT right now. I believe that is one of the best one. So I will just say that make a Blogspot theme from scratch. Okay, spelling wrong. Oh, I don't know the spelling. Okay, let me scratch, SCAR, from scratch, make it SEO friendly. So I've given the prompt. Let's see how it's going to do that. So as you can see here, it's saying that HTML tag causing XML press error, not well formed. But I fixed that. Even then, that was same issue. Okay. Again, it given the code. Okay, as you can see that there's a not error like before we seen that. But I'm not sure that it's gonna work again. So just copy it, and now we're gonna just select all, Command V. Now again click save. Again you see that update failed, and it's not showing any kind of error. So fixing it is really hard because we don't know where is the problem. So we're gonna just say this one. Okay, so where is the grok here? I'm saying this message when I try to update my theme. Command B. Let's see from here what we get. Okay, so something went wrong generating it if this is persist. So here's some issue. Okay, try again. I use many AI tools, and all the time they could not able to generate a template that really works on a blogspot. The last time I generated using Gemini Pro version, and it did work, but after a couple of tries. But again, after then, it was not working. So I hope that this one, at least Gemini, ChatGPT could do the things that I could not. But again, you can see here they're making same mistakes. I don't know why, but they always make mistakes. Some of them when they are writing it, I couldn't understand why they are doing that. If you don't have any idea about it, then it's gonna really hard for you to make a Blogspot theme. But if you want to add a small option, as I told you that small features like that, then you can do it really well. Okay, so let's see. So there's a preview option. Okay, as for here, travel update your Blogspot theme. Internet browser backup. You have not you know backup restore download even if corrupted might left later. Validate your code here. Okay, fix any errors. Upload by backup restore bypass the save button. Okay, but even if I do that, just it's saying that even I do that this way, even then the problem gonna be persist because when I'm updated again, then it won't gonna work that. But let's just use that as it said. So I'm gonna use a VS code. Okay. Now I'm gonna copy that code from here. Allow, no, don't allow. I'll just copy this code. Okay. Now I will just make a new page, new text file. Command V. I will save everything here. Now I will go and click Save As, and I will choose my desktop. Okay. The file name gonna be like anything double D and save. So it's dot in that dot XML. Okay. Now I'm gonna just go again. Okay. Now we're gonna use like a backup and store. Okay. So if you click a backup, it's gonna download. If you click restore, then it give you option to get the thing. So click upload. Now I'm gonna use okay, as you can see that dd.xml. Click open. Okay. Now see that what happening. As you can see, I'm not seeing any kind of thing, but here is saying update failed. Okay. Now try again. Upload, and as you can see that could not restore the theme. So as I told you that it won't change anything. You can do it editing HTML or restore. In both way, if you're not working in one place, it won't work other place. Okay, so let's see if the fault is because of code. So we're gonna just put the code here and check. So you see there really many errors are there. Okay, so but I don't think it's a problem with here. Okay, so no idea. As for here, you can see in ChatGPT, we are using it. The code is there. You can see it. The problem is there. You see in the first place. Let me show you. Okay, I believe here. You can see here if we edit open. So you see the XML template start from this, then HTML, and then that's how you write it. Okay, but as you can see here, it's written in this way. So it will be like a HTML here. Okay. But let's hope, and as you can see that it should be inside the head tag, not here. But I'm gonna just download first. Okay, now I will copy that HTML and everything here. As you can see, it's complete. So first I will try with this one. Okay, I will go here and edit HTML. Now I will just select all of them, just Command and V, and if I save, you see this is a problem. Okay, so I'm telling you that even if I use the store mode, it won't work because the return is the wrong way. So we're gonna just change this one. It's a HTML, and we have to just write doc type HTML also. But right now we just avoid it. Okay. Now we have to put it inside head tag if you want. Okay. Now if you go downstairs, you check. You have to just replace with that HTML. Okay. Even now they're showing some problems. So now if I save it, Okay, it's saying that 17. Okay, line 17, you see here like meta. So these things are causing problem. Okay, and I don't know how to fix this one. So here this is, even if I just delete this, even I try to save it, again problem comes, because the problem with I believe here's a problem. I don't know how to fix that. Okay, so it did not create that the way we wanted. Okay, so it's saying that if you do that work but it's not working. So that's why I told you that they are not doing really great thing for that. So again I will say that it is not working, and I will say that I want template for Blogspot. I just hope you understand what I'm saying. Okay, it's no my website name. I don't know how he learns that, because as I know that I did not say like that anything in my chart. Okay, just create a theme for it that works. One thing that what say, do you want to layer style simple page, a modern card grid? Let's just go with this. Okay, so as I was saying that a AI model learn with the data, and I believe they don't have much data about making Blogspot theme, and that's why they can't able to correct it. Okay, just do it right name, and that's why I believe I use many AI models, but they are not able to do it, because they always make some mistakes, and I don't know how to fix that. Again, you see here they made the same mistake. Okay, so there's a no option like let add response. Mm. It's like I'm training this model right now. So if you want to use a any kind of tool to just create that a whole template, then I would tell you that you have to put a lot of effort, tell that all the things, like you have to train it first, only then you can have the data. You can use other tools to get that. Let me just use another AI model. I used Gemini, it was working well, but it also always syntax error, so you need to also edit there. um, there's another tool I need to find out. Let me check here which is best AI model for creating Blogspot theme. I've just asked AI model, it might give me the answer. Shall you stand out that best editor for Blogspot theme for Scratch? Okay, okay, ChatGPT for mode, Google Gemini, Cloud 7, Nerai AI estimate generator. I use the ChatGPT, but what answer I'm getting, it's not working. If you think that if I download then and go restore, it might work. So let's go there. I believe it won't work, but I'm gonna show you that. Click here and restore, and then upload. In the downloads, as you can see it here. Just you can see I'm getting same error as I got in HTML. Okay, so restore theme. Let's see. No, it didn't work. So as you can see that we have the same old design. So it didn't do that what we wanted. Let me just upload a file, okay, about the theme, and then see if that understand or not. So I'm gonna just have backup of this, download it. Now I'm gonna just use AI tool. It's here I'm gonna just add a file and photos. So download. Okay, so what is it I need to upload? So this one is a correct, I believe. Open. I'll say that I want this template, this theme, SEO friendly, responsive, and mobile friendly. I've given that whole theme and I want to change something, so I just hope that it would do the right thing. So it's saying that what is need to be done, improvement. Okay, also add image dynamically. Okay, what I can do, I'll just ask write all the code with improvement. Let's see it's gonna do or not. So the cloudy Nira AI, I'm not sure what is it. Okay, just go here. Okay, so as you can see, the right now the code is written here, is writing that. So just wait and see how much time it will take. So here is like front-end development. So it's gonna make only HTML websites, not Blogspot. So don't depend on too much. You can also create like a first HTML template and then convert it to Blogspot template. But I'm not sure that how much it's gonna work because I have not tried till now. But as I have used the few models, they always make mistakes, always syntax error. So if you don't have any knowledge, then it's gonna be a little harder for you to fix all that. You have to spend a lot of time. But even then, I'm not sure that you will get the result you want. So the next video I will gonna try for that. Making, I will have first HTML files for it. Design, I will gonna use AI tools to get that, and then make a website with it. So as you can see, it's written the code, all of that. So now we're gonna just copy this, okay, and again we'll just click edit HTML and just select all of them, command V. So this is our code. Now click save. Again you see the same error. This kind of error all the time you see if you are pasting a code from an AI generated. So let's go to 41 column, it's saying. So 41, let's see what is the issue. So it's saying that here, okay, something issue. Let's see if we want to solve this issue. No, it's not doing it. And if we just save it again, we get on getting same error. There's two ways I can just avoid it. One, I can just have like this, but again the another one gonna show up. Let's see the 42. Okay, now if I remove both of them, okay, now let's see. Now click save. Again 215. 215, as you can see here in the HTML card. Again it's showing some kind of error in 62. Okay, and I don't know that what's wrong here. So this is the issue, and you will face it again and again. No matter how much you try to fix it, you find something. So if you don't have knowledge about Blogspot coding, then it's really gonna hard for you to make a Blogspot template because you literally don't know that where the problem. So it's saying that followed by equal character. Okay, so 215. Okay, equal. Oh, where is it? Oh, this one it's saying that. So let's have this. That's what I think. Not sure about it. Just say it again. Okay, 225. 225. Okay, 225. As you can see here, image, height and width. Okay, as you can see here again, in a src there's a data, then no, svg. So what is the problem here? This character is the issue, and I believe that this is the reason. Okay, so how to fix this problem? Before there's an option like they convert characters like into words, like in numbers, and then it's worked, but I'm not sure that if I convert that it would work. But that's the only thing we can do. Okay, and I just hope that is the only the problem. If it's not, then you know it's gonna create a lot of issue. So just copy this and uh, you know make it postable, make it postable. That is a website that is able to provide that. Okay, but right now I'm not seeing the website. So as you can see, mm, if I upload a thumbnail in upload. Okay, so I'm getting all that I'm same results. Okay, now just copy this one and try to do it, but I know that won't work, but let's try again. Okay, save it. As in the column is here, so okay, just copy this one. We need to find the code of this you know say that HTML code of this tag. I don't remembering the tag that you use, just saying that way so it will understand. I don't remember what it's called. There's a many form of that special character that you can write, like words like this one, also in other way. So that can also be done, but there's another thing also can be done. You know if I just remove this image, okay, I can just directly add the images. For right now, just remove that. Okay, I know that the problem is in here, the SVG. Okay, this one is the issue. Okay, and so just remove this one. Okay, now click save. As you can see, another problem 248. Here the same thing, you see it. Okay, that this one is the problem, the special character. I can change it into the words. I don't remember what to call. you know uh, just I will just copy this. Okay, I'll say that I write in a different way. Write in different way. It understand beforehand, and so it's giving me that. But I'm just to use another tool. Okay, ChatGPT. Write this in different way. In HTML code. Special code. I don't know why it's writing all that. Did I type something wrong? Let me use the Gemini for it. I know, google.com HTML special character. Let me check this. Yeah, this thing, um, That's what I want to show you, that okay, so it's an arrow, but a similar way, when you write that URL code, I don't remember right now where to do that, but I know the something similar like that, just like number, and we write that for it. If you change that, then it might work. Okay, so I need to find that same. Okay, so wait for it, and after finding that, I'm going to tell you how to do it. The problem I was facing before, I fixed that, but now there's another problem come. So I'm gonna just copy this code. Okay, then let's I'm using ChatGPT. Then I'll put this code. Okay, I'll say that I see this error. Okay, now whatever error I'm seeing it, I'll just copy all that. Okay, and again paste here. As for that issue, I will show you that. Come here. So this is a code that was not working because of this. Okay, you know, but when I just made an HTML view, I can see this is that main code. Okay, so when I put it this one, then start working. It's not saying there is a problem at all, and that's another problem occur. It is this one. So I'm gonna try to fix it and see how the template looks. So it's saying that XML is a part of entity. Okay, so it is like this. Okay, so here it has changed like that. So it's saying that how to do that, like sort node.amp. Then so we're gonna just copy this code. Okay, and now we're gonna paste it here. Command V. Okay, just Command V. Now I can see that this is code, and I believe this kind of same problem will, I hope, won't occur anywhere else. So click save. Now you can see that theme is successfully added. Okay, now I want to see that how it looks. So reload here. Okay, error interrupting block theme during the threshold command form. Okay, so again the issue. Now let me see. Blog, I will just make it. There's an option that revent the pages. Okay, select all of them. Revent selected widgets. Now I did it. And now again, let me first save it. Click save. Now it says save automatically. Now reload again. Again the same thing it's saying. So here the theme is working. Okay, I have changed the widgets all in the default, but still the problem persists. Then view again. You are saying this problem. So we're gonna just ask this, that how to fix it. I'm gonna use this one. How to fix this issue. Okay, it's very common when blogger comment include threshold is used incorrectly or the line is wrong. Okay, it's saying that why it's happened. Okay, the correct way to include comment from is like you can include it with your template or body section, typically to the very end. So we can just copy this, or copy the code, and it's saying the rule: make sure inside template and body tag. Okay, a common method to fix a safe replacement. Okay, okay, there are a lot of things in here, but just we're gonna here, and okay, I'll just put it below here. It's already here. Command V. The same thing again. Reload again. not working. So another option. So the first one didn't work. Confix. If you still face error, replacing this line with a safe alternative, this one. So copy. Now again, we are going back down and B. Again save it. Successful. Reload again. Same problem. Now again we check that. Okay, open your XML code. Search for this template closing tag. After it, then this section widget tag properly closed. Do this instead, safe error free. Okay, avoid remove this if you using this error. So I'm gonna just do this and remove this one. Okay. Now I just remove this one. Command V. Now save it. Now it's saved. Now reload again. So I'm facing the same issue. It didn't solve. Okay. So that's it. So I've given everything. I thought it gonna work, but it is not working. And I will tell you that you're gonna face same kind of problem as I am facing if you are trying to make in this way. If you want that to help ask AI tools to do everything for you to make a Blogspot template, then you're gonna just face the same thing again and again, then you might never able to achieve what you want. But if you do it for a long time, I believe you can find the solution for it, and AI tool can do it. But doing this is just a waste of time. Then I will tell you that make a sketch template and add functionality there, and that is the best thing I can say to you. And it's really easy. Okay, you can just say that write sketch blogspot theme. I just hope it won't go over too much, and I will give you the video, a link where you can learn how to do it. Okay. Normally in the blogspot, as you can see here in the widgets, you go here, everything happens with the widgets. Like a blog, it's a main thing here. It will show you post on your website. Okay. These are the headers. You can add it in the widgets. You don't have to write anything. Just go on widgets and you can have it. Everything you can have it. You can add with widgets. The problem is that sometime, for making a SEO friendliness, the structure you need it, and for that you can use AI tools for it. So rather than telling AI tool to write it for you, just use it for making a SEO friendly. So that's the only way I believe we can achieve this. Doing this, I don't want to waste more time because I'm not sure that I'm gonna get that right result, because again and again they are making same mistakes. Okay, so uh, that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. Meet you next video, and we are gonna try another way to make a blogspot theme so that we see we can succeed or not. Because in this one we failed, and I believe I want to try for a couple of more times. Even then I will fail. So thank you for watching this video. Bye.